without further ado, I say at least show him a little bit of your key. So you
I gotta show the emblem, the logo, regardless.
Let me see.
Look, all right. So now we out here, bro. I'm about to show y'all the whip, man. Just cop, bro. You feel me? I'll just show y'all the key one more time.
I think.
Yeah, man. It's good, Jiggy Mobb. Welcome back to the channel. Got my boy PhatJay, man. So what's up to the mob, nigga?
Fuck y'all nigga, man. What's good with y'all though? Stop fucking with me, man.
Oh yeah, show your merch, bro.
I'm just taking out the pack for real. Let me show you the whole thing for real.
My boy over here selling merch, man. I'm gonna put his link in the description, bro. Y'all go cop some of his merch, man. No cap.
That bitch. Oh, hold on. Oh, yeah. That bitch too official.
He gotta zoom in on that, boy, bro.
Hold on. With the back saucy soup.
Hey, yeah, bro. I like that better than the yellow back. Yeah, that's way better, bro.
That bitch chilling for real.
That bitch hard, bro.
I mean, but it is what it is. Make sure y'all go cop the merch. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Fuck with Jiggy Mobb, bro. My boy's eating out here, man.
Man, we trying to play this nigga, bro. No cap.
We trying to get our merch together, man.
My nigga looked down, just saw me a little cam, bro. You feel me? So y'all know fire videos coming, better quality type shit.
That's big.
For sure.
My nigga
MacBook coming here soon. Just wait on it, man. We trying to get something that's fairly priced, nothing that's blown out.
Yeah.
Something reasonable.
This nigga Jay been taking off on the equipment shit, though. No cap.
Sure.
I'm trying to be like this nigga.
I'm trying to get like you.
We should just ride this.
Man, my niggas put me on.
What you go rob me for?
We could rob this nigga. He here.
Fuck yeah. Y'all gonna take the Camaro?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, take the fuck out that Camaro. Take that Camaro and the cannon, nigga. Take the camera too.
Yeah, you gonna take both the Canon and the Camaro?
Take the forces too, nigga.
The forces, them bitches is saucy though, ain't they?
I'm taking the forces.
Yeah, I'm taking yours.
I'm not even gonna hold you. You can keep them bitches, bro. I'll take everything but the forces, bro. No, it's fine.
You take my hat too, bro?
Yeah, I'll take the Howard. That's champion. I need that. Run it.
Color outside too.
No, I'll take these, bro. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I fuck with pink, bro. So don't you definitely gotta run
Hey,
those.
hey, chill. That's not pink, bro.
Is it hot pink?
Nah, bro. That's peach.
Peach?
I was gonna say, bro, I don't like pink, bro.
Y'all don't do these pink? Bro, pink hard, though. What y'all talking?
But that's peach, though.
That's peach. Like, that's clearly peach. Like,
This ain't pink to y'all?
Hey, Jay, well, fuck it. We gonna rock this.
this nigga's dumb.
Hey, we
Bro.
gonna rock this thing.
This is pink, bro.
Pink, bro.
It's cool, bro.
Y'all got me bugging right now, bro.
We ain't even gotta look for his car keys, but they already on the table.
Bro. This
Y'all have to
ain't...
run my pockets and shit. This shit on the table.
I say it's like a hot pink, bro. Like, peach is more like my pillows type shit.
That's orange.
What's my pillow? Don't get it. Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Not orange, though.
Yeah, I'm about to don't dick ride now. Don't say
So what is the pillows?
I said those like salmon.
Okay.
Color. But those look pink as fuck though.
That's Princess Peach, bro.
Fuck it, I'm just not gonna rob you. I nigga gonna have to squabble.
Yeah, niggas granddad socks though, nigga.
What these Calvin Klein socks, nigga? Come on.
Oh, okay, my bad, bro. My bad. I ain't back to box you, bro. But yeah, man, look, it's just vlogging, man. I got the squad with me. We vibing, chilling, bro. This nigga Jay just put me on a blind date, bro. Y'all gotta tune into that on his channel, bro. I don't know if it's gonna be uploaded. I think I'll probably upload this before he will. This is simple. But y'all gotta tune into that, though. He's put me on a blind date, man. Shit was fire.
This nigga did not get no buns. This nigga's no bitches, bro.
Yeah, I ain't get no digits, no nothing, bro. I'm a fucking square ass nigga, bro.
Hand ass nigga.
I'm square. I ain't get nothing, bro.
I walked in here, she was fucking sitting in a fucking high chair and shit.
Man, this nigga predator. He said he hit me up, bro. He hit me up, bro. He was like, bro, he put me on a blind date. He like, I'm like, yeah. He like, what's your age? I'm like, what's your from your age range? This nigga said 8 to 12.
And he really said, well, as long as they probably try mine really.
Y'all, listen, y'all really know what he said, bro? Come here. All right, so y'all see.
He said they can walk to the bathroom by themselves, I'm good.
This nigga said if that age is on the clock, she old enough to get the car.
This nigga stupid as fuck. I'm about to, hey, run these hands, both of y'all niggas right now, though. No cap. Niggas trying to hold me, bro. I'm gonna get my flamingo niggas on y'all, bro. I got 2 of them already on your ass, nigga. That nigga got the chop in his head, dude. That nigga got the chop about to spray your shit, too. He got one in the chamber, nigga about to blow your shit. Say what shit. Man, but look, man, what I got y'all on this cam for today, man, I did something pretty special, like a week ago, man. On some bored shit, bro. A nigga went and copped a new whip, you feel me? So, I'm about to show y'all this new whip, man.
Let me go ahead and take over the camera for you so you can show.
Oh, yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Good luck, nigga. Yeah, nigga went and copped a new whip, bro. Some slight shit, bro. Bored shit, man. I'm like, fuck it. Mobb got to talk about cars. He about to cop a new car. I got to looking on some fun shit, and I found this.
I ain't copping no car. I'm copping a straight big body since I got a baby, but
Big body, nigga.
I'm copping something right before the winter hit. I can't tell nobody what it is because I don't know what it is just yet. But man, his car is something crazy, and it's something slight. It was really a conversation we just had. Yeah. He went and got it the next week. It wasn't even a whole week. It was probably like maybe 4 days.
For real, I was waiting on dude.
The whole time he thought it was a scam, but we were checking into it. You know. It wasn't a scam. He went and picked it up, whatever. So we gonna get right into it for y'all.
Nigga thought it was a scam, man. But look, should I show him the keys first or the whip? I need the keys. Don't see what's
Nigga, fuck you with my whip better.
And we gotta show this niggas whip. Hold on, yeah. Hold on. Let me show this niggas whip, bro.
Where my fucking key? Hold on, niggas. Hold on, niggas.
Really robbed
I
me.
almost pulled off of that shit. No cap.
My shit sound like Mufasa when I started up.
Oh yeah, bro. I'm gonna hear that shit real quick. Before we get into my shit, we about to see this nigga shit. I still ain't even seen it yet. Hey, what year is it?
2020.
Hey, say that loud for people in the back.
2020.
Oh. Well, he ain't doing that. He ain't just do that. He ain't just do that.
I know we gonna get copyrighted, but we can spare 30 seconds.
Okay.
You want me to read real quick?
Hold on, let me get back there. They want to hear it for real.
Go ahead, hop over, my nigga.
I ain't gonna hold you, kind of murder a little bit of Chris Paul, but he got insurance.
Bro, gonna get one.
I swear, bro.
About to do a quick insurance fraud. Nothing too crazy.
Bro, this nigga hollering with this shit, bro. That nigga hollering. This bitch going fast as fuck. Nigga tall as hell, legs crunched up in this bitch.
Hey, get my view back here. Nigga's feet on this seat back
This
here.
why you don't ride deep in a 2-seater, man.
Bro,
God, bro.
there ain't no squad car, bro. You and your girl, that's
You
it.
and your girl, that's it, bro. I swear to
You
God.
and your kids, son.
This nigga the only nigga with a kid.
Oh boy, I had to throw that in there, though. I ain't gonna cap.
What you hang out? Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, that bitch crazy.
About to hit up this parking lot real quick, see what this hell for.
We gotta hit a couple donuts, bro.
You got a dog in front of you. Got a dog.
Kinda sorta, not really.
Yeah, he ain't just.
This nigga's this bitch going, oh shit. Oh shit. Nigga
Y'all satisfied, man? Y'all satisfied?
But that shit was fun as fuck, bro. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. Man, we just came around this nigga Cammy, bro. That shit was crazy.
That shit was just
man.
crazy. He spent the fuck out that car. Man, without further ado, I say at least show him a little bit of your key. So
Yeah, that's all I was thinking. I show the key first or the whip.
show him the back of the key.
Back. I
Just-
gotta show the emblem, the logo, regardless.
Flash it. Real
Alright,
fast.
this is the key, man. This
What was
You
that?
probably got the whole view of that shit, huh?
What was that?
Man, let me show y'all the new cop, man. Something slight, man. Jiggy Mobb shit, man. You know you keep y'all in tune with everything, bro. Something slight, man. Come on, follow me. We're walking into Germany. Ain't that where they from?
German engineering, fuck it.
Tell me when I should let him see.
Oh, you even turn the camera over there. You
I
a
ain't
real
let him-
ass nigga,
I ain't
man.
let him see, bro.
Look, all right. So now we out here, bro. I'm about to show y'all the whip, man. This cop, bro. You feel me? I'll just show y'all the key one more time.
I think you should start it before I even let him see it.
Started before.
You ain't got the beamer, bro. I should start it, bro.
You gotta start it.
I gotta open up the garage and we get no comment. Not that I care, like. My niggas hear that shit, man.
I'm gonna go ahead and let him see it, man.
Man, show them niggas, bro. It's only right, bro. Show these niggas this shit, bro.
Let him see it.
Man, cop a drop top beamer, bro. Dang, bro. Shit smooth as fuck. Shit smooth. Oh yeah, look, I can't let you niggas forget. Niggas still got the Honda.
You already know.
Still got the other sports car. You feel me? I just had to double up, you know? Double up. Yeah, man. It's something nice, bro. It's like a little toy, bro. Never nigga wanna run around, top down. Nice day, man. Fuck it, bro. It's one of them days.
Don't get any fucked up. It ain't nothing basic either.
Man,
Don't get any fucked up.
Well, yeah, my body's going on too.
PhatJayyTv, welcome to the.
You already know.
They seen my shit, bro. You never even see your shit, bro. Y'all see my shit.
Yes, sir.
Y'all see how Buddy coming, though?
Man.
No way, though.
Yes, sir.
No way. And he still got his other whip, though. That's what's really common. Y'all see the whip. It's not like that,
I'm
though.
just so easy, bro. What we got going on? Wow, man.
That's how Jiggy Mobb coming?
Same minute, bro.
Hey, man, this was just a 10-minute conversation, too. 10-minute conversation. He grabbed it in, like, not even a whole week. And he let me drive it, though. This bitch smooth.
It's smooth.
This bitch smooth.
This bitch nice as fuck, though. Real shit.
Rear-wheel drive. He do donuts all night, too.
You can't dog this bitch, though. Beamer's got the best traction control. Like, they got the best, like,
They
all
do.
the maneuverability, bro.
They do. Cause they steering wheel like that performance, like it's stiff as fuck the time, bro. Like that performance shit.
But, yeah, man,
Like,
this
what's mine is, oh, yeah, you gonna dog this bitch, though, for real, for real.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
is my man's whip, man.
Look, new whip on the channel, man. Y'all gonna be seeing me in this time to time, bro. You feel me, bro? Yeah, new whip, bro. Some boys just went and copped it, man. You feel me? Me and Mobb was talking about whips. I seen it.
Sure, he went and grabbed his. I'm still waiting to pick out mine now, man. It was the delay. I thought I had something ready, bro. It turned out not to be what it was.
Yeah,
But the only spoiler I can give y'all is either a truck or SUV that I'm grabbing, something fat.
we come over here with Jiggy Mobb with tops down. My nigga Jay came with a top down. Got a top down in here, man. It's top down everywhere,
Top
man.
down, man.
No cap, nigga.
No cat.
No cap, nigga. But look, that's all for this vlog, bro. I ain't gonna share out nothing else, man. Appreciate y'all watching this video, man. Appreciate all y'all support, love on the channel, bro. If you're new, subscribe, return it, like, comment, man. Show love to the channel, man. We dropping more bangers. Jay gonna be on the channel too. Doing more features, collabs, man. You better get it lit in this bitch. No cap, we out, nigga. Gone.